Hey you all, welcome to my channel. Of course, it's me, the blessed Gambina, and today I'm turning an ordinary day to such a special day. Today it's my birthday, and from my facials, you can tell I'm super excited and happy to be here today. So I'm celebrating a new age. Like today, I'm turning a year older, and yeah, right now I'm super ready, already set up to do my birthday decoration on my living room simply because last year I did it from my bedroom. Yeah, I'm gonna put the link to the video on my description box for you to go and watch. Okay, maybe you can get an inspiration from that. Well, this year we are working on the living room and I'm doing it by myself with no help. And yeah, I can't wait. So, guys, let me show you what I have right now, everything. Then we get started. So, guys, I'm standing right on my entryway, and this is the current look of my living room. Yeah, nothing is done. I've just done cleaning. So, hello, I hope you can see me. I'm the birthday girl, and I'm super excited for this day. Anyway, let's get straight into the decoration. First of all, I'm gonna show you what I have. Then get started. Aye, today's my day. Easy. Well, first things first, I have this foil balloon. 13-piece region happy birthday. This is exactly what I used for my last year's birthday decoration. And yeah, I'm reusing it. And you can reuse it as many times as possible. I'm also using these numbers as you can see. I'm gonna have them here. I'm turning an age a year older, so yeah, I have this. I also have this. I know you're wondering what is this. Let's unbox together, or rather, let's unbox together. Hey, I'm super excited for this day, by the way. And yeah, I'm spending it all by myself. No friends, no family, just by myself. Oh, look at that. Unajiuliza ni za nini? Tulia nikupange. This is the home of ideas. And I'm sure this birthday decoration, yeah, sitting room is gonna outdo the one I did last year, for sure. Then I have these other boxes. Let's unbox. I know you wanna know what is this. Anyway, just a mini baby. Anyway, ooh, ooh la la. This is what is inside, and comes with a battery set. Their lights. Anyway, nitawaonyesha. Let's just have everything here. Then nitawaonyesha too. Yeah, I got them. The second last set I have is this. These are balloons. I got them from Kamukunji. I can plug you all. Such different colors of balloon: purple, black, white, green. And these are the ribbons. I said this was going for 180 shillings. And I also got these glues. Last year I had so many people of you asking me, what did you use to stick your balloons on the ceiling and on the wall? This. Okay, the last set of the things I'm gonna be using for my decoration are these marble stones. I got them on my birthday way back in 2023, and we are in 2025, and this is the time I'm gonna be unboxing them from this. Like, I got them from the Hub Karen 2023. I also did a vlog on that. Yeah, so I'll also attach the link on the description box so that you can go and watch. So yeah, excited. Oh yeah, and before I forget, I also have this runner. So why am I showing you all this from this side of the living room? Because my birthday decoration decor, we're gonna be here. The decor, this console table area. Yeah, then the rest of the living room. So let's get started with this. Then we come to this other side. Hey, it's the birthday girl here. So, like, I'm done with this side of the console area decorating. So, let's do this side of the living room. And there's a time I was in China Square and I got these letters. Sorry. Oh, I got these letters for my name. So, I'm thinking since this place looks so empty, I put them there. And then what's remaining is that we have some remaining balloons. Inflate them and have some of them hanging over here. Then have the carpet and the pillowcases. So let's do this. And by the way, you see this particular fit? It's my birthday fit. I got it yesterday. Like I got it specifically for this particular video, the decorating and everything. Then I have another one, the after party birthday fit. So this was specifically for this video. Aki niko excited. Alafu niwaambie mi leo nilikuwa najua nashinda peke yangu, like peke yangu, just in my space. After decorating and everything, I go get a birthday cake kadogo just to share with my brother and the family. Then guess what? My mom just surprised me. Amenipigia simu akaniambia ako town, anakuja just from nowhere. Mi ni plan child, wallahi mi nayo amnielewi. Anyway, let's do this. Ngoja nije, mningoje nije. So mkiningoja nije, niko hapa. I got some flowers. I play too much, right? Anyway, don't know whether this is a nice idea. Let's see. No, beautiful people, I'm standing right where I started from. Yeah, the entryway, and this is the final look. Look at the flower. Look at that details. The carpet, the couch, the balloons, my name tag. Ay, look at that. Look at that. Hello, hey guys. So this is me, Gina, the birthday girl. I'm super excited and grateful for life. I mean, I've turned a year older, a year wiser, a year smarter, a year richer, healthier, and everything. And I have to declare that every cell in my body is divinely healthy. Yeah, and no weapon forged against me will and shall ever prosper. Yeah. So this is a final look of my birthday decoration. I said I'm gonna focus on the console table area, and we have these. I hope you can see the details over here, and yeah, I'll be sure to show you the rest of the living room, how it stand out. And yeah, of course, a birthday is not a birthday without a letter to myself. So let me get my phone and read out my letter to my older self, like a letter to my 25-year old as I turned 26. No emotions. Gina, no emotions. And yeah, let me do it. You walked into that chair carrying so much more than you ever let on. Okay, you are learning and learning, breaking and rebuilding, sometimes it all at once. You showed up on days when it would have been easier to disappear, and for that I'm proud of you. At 25, you questioned yourself a lot. You wondered if you were behind, if you are doing enough, if life was supposed to look different by now. But what you didn't realize is that you were becoming stronger in quiet ways, choosing peace, choosing growth, choosing yourself even when it felt uncomfortable. Nimejiambia no emotions, alafu sauti inaanza kupotea. Anyway, understand, just understand. You survived moment that tried to harden you, yet you stayed soft. You loved deeply, hoped bravely, and kept believing, even when things didn't work out the way you imagined. That took courage. As I turned 26, I want you to know this. Everything you went through mattered. Nothing was wasted. Every cheer, every lesson, every pause shaped the woman I am becoming. I promise to be kinder to myself. I promise to stop rushing my timeline. I promise to celebrate small wins, protect my peace, and honor my feelings. I promise to love myself louder without apology. I mean, thank you for holding on. Thank you for choosing growth over comfort. Thank you for getting me here. 26 is for becoming gently, confidently, and authentically with love and gratitude. Gina at 26. See ya. Bye. Back to where I started from. So that was the introduction part, and right now I'm here to do the outro. Like, girl, it's been a minute. Like, nilianza kushoot saa tatu na saa hii ni saa 7:47, so yeah, I've done well, but the letter to myself was so intentional. Like, it's something I sat down and wrote. And actually, I have to mention this. I recorded a few days in my life in early December, and I'm gonna be sharing them, so you'll understand. Anyway, I went through everything, and yeah, I healed. This is the most ill version of myself. So this 26 ain't no playing games. See you, my flowers. Anyway,